Welcome to the 3-Minute Leadership and Management Series, where you will be introduced to a breadth of effective leadership and people management skills that have worked well for me and others I have taught over the years. This series covers ways to address various scenarios as a leader and manager. It will enhance your skill set, and I'll introduce tricks of the trade. But I can assure you, there will be no Jedi mind tricks.
The Force is with you, young.
Let's discuss a leader's mindset.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
Helping others is a great way for you to gain respect from your peers and management. Help people resolve issues directly or indirectly by connecting them with the right people. You probably don't have all the answers, but someone does. Make connections with people who have different skill sets. Then you find a way to make them look good. I always told people's managers how helpful someone was. That always went over well. Here's a story about how I helped my manager and then how it made it easier for my manager to help me. I really didn't care for routine, mundane work and found ways around it by improving and automating processes. I didn't have all the skills to create the solutions, but I did have some ideas. I reached out to a few friends at work, shared the idea with them and their managers, and collectively we worked on solutions in our spare time. The improvements brought revenue to the business and saved the company money. Who got the credit? My manager. But through this, I made it easier for my manager to recognize my teammates and I with awards. I also received a resort trip. The company even paid for my MBA, and I received promotions as well as other opportunities. But I did not go into this thinking, what's in it for me? I went in looking to help my team and manager. Here's something I learned that initially seemed counterintuitive. To be honest, I had to grow into this mindset and learn not to keep all the information I had to myself. I learned to give it away and train my replacement. Remember, you're not training someone to take your job. You're training them so when a position above you opens up, you're ready to take it, and your manager is not worried about who will backfill your position. Today we talked about helping solve others' problems. Look around and you may see people having challenges, or you being bored with your own task. Think of ways to propose solutions to help. Make your manager look good. When you can do things to make your manager's job easier, a good manager will find ways to help you. But don't look for a quid pro quo. Just set your mind to helping others. Train your replacement. When that time comes for you to take the next step, help your manager identify your replacement. It is my sincere hope that you enjoyed this video. We have many more fun topics to cover in both leadership and management, and here are just a few. We will cover skills you can learn and go over real-life scenarios I encountered over the years in hopes you can use these stories to overcome similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please like and click the subscribe button below so you can be informed when new videos are released. And feel free to leave comments on subjects you would like to hear more about in the future. Take care, and may the Course be with you.
Don't underestimate the Force.